Okay, welcome back, year 12s, and today we're gonna do 4B, determine the rules of a parabola. So they're probably gonna be the last lesson for doing the parabola, and hopefully you guys gonna be a quick recap with me as well, and we will be doing that very shortly. So first thing we're gonna know the three difference about the parabola writings. A parabola we can say. The first one will be using x-intercept form. So when x equal to e or x equal to f, the y equal to 0. So that's called intercept form. And the second one, which is we already did, is called turning point form from the last previous lesson. And this one is turning point form and one other point as known. Also, the next one will be the normal coordinates points on the parabola known. So we need to know which language we're gonna using for the parabola. So for example, example one, let's have a look. The first thing first, we know the coordinates, the turning points of the parabola is 2, 6. Once you say it's turning points, please highlight that. You're actually gonna using that during the final exam, and you will say a lot of times about turning points or whatever it is you're gonna using. So the second one will be through the point is 3, 3. Oh, that's pretty important as well. So as we know, if they're asking for the turning point, we could write as y equal to a x minus 2 square plus 6. So we know, right? So h and k is your turning point. So that's how that works. All right, and we know we're gonna using the number 2, which is I'm gonna do here. And once you know, and then when x equal to 3, y equal to 3. So substitution x equal to 3. So 3 equal to a. We're going to find a anyway, so which is 1 squared plus 6. And a equal to negative 3. So y equal to negative 3 x minus 2 squared plus 6. So that is your final rule for this parabola. All right, and to keep going with the next part, let's have a look. The parabola intercept points is 3 and negative 3 and 4, and past the point is 124. We know this one, x-intercept, highlight what you want, and then let's have a look at the first one, y equal to ax minus e, hopefully I remember, and whatever b or c or d, whatever you can use, but I just follow the rule and what they actually given. And now we're doing is we know e can be negative 3 and f can be 4, so we can rewrite again, so which is x plus 3 and x minus 4. Be careful, that's minus 3, so that become plus. And if the positive, keep the minus code. Okay? And now, when x equal to 1 and y equal to 24, so which means 24 equal to a, 4 times negative 3, so which is negative 12, a equal to 24, a equal to minus 2. So which means y equal to negative 2, x plus 3, and x minus 4. Perfect. We keep going to the other part, which is we're gonna using 3 different rules. This one a little bit trickier. So we're gonna using something like called the simultaneous equation. But let's have a look. Ax squared plus bx plus c. First thing first, let's highlight this one. When x equal to 0 and y equal to 5, that means your y-intercept, right? So we actually can say c equal to 5 straight away. And now we actually can rewrite again. So we can say when x equal to 1, y equal to 4. When x equal to negative 1, y equal to 10. So we can substitution in. So 4 equal to a plus b plus 5. That's the first part. Second part, 10 equal to a minus b plus 5. So once you know, and then we actually can do the simultaneous equation. Substitution in -1 equal to a plus b, and 5 equal to a minus b. So both have a a, right? So both have a, actually 3 and 4. So when a equal to minus b minus 1, and substitution into the fourth formula, so which is minus b minus 1 minus b equal to 5. So minus 2b equal to 4, and b equal to uh wait, sorry, that should be 6. Sorry, my mistake. uh so that should be 6, because minus 1 in here become 2 plus 1. So b equal to 3, minus 3, sorry. All right, perfect. When b equal to minus 3, now we find a. So a equal to minus b minus 1, so which means 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So now y equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Perfect. Another rule, find out. Last one, we will have some like a graph, and we're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna do this question. Very simple and easy. Let's have a look. Uh, we know this one will be just uh translate upside down, right? We're going up, and also that's a negative sign, so we can say y equal to ax squared plus 6 straight away, something like that. Um, because they're going up by 3, so we actually can say c equal to 3. So we can say y equal to ax squared plus 3. Now, when x equal to -3, y equal to 1. Well, that actually gives us a little bit the hint, so which is 9a plus 3 equal to 1, 9a equal to minus 2, a equal to minus 2 over 9, and the root will be minus 2 over 9x squared plus 3. There you go. Also, that's the negative sign parabola, and perfect. It had negative, and also they pass through the 0, 3, and even better. And then there you go. Sometimes you don't have to know the x and y, actually x intercept. You still can get your root with the graph. All right, and next lesson, we're gonna learn the language of polynomials. So please keep working on enjoying what you're doing. I know you guys are busy, and please practice, 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 and then they will help you a lot. So I see you guys next time.